Okay, so today I'm going to be explaining how you can maximize cloud of worship for your live stream, projecting your Bible verse for your live stream. So basically, this is how I go about it for my church. So you can use OBS or you can use Prism Live Studio. So I use Prism Live Studio here for my church. So I have a video here playing. This video is simulating what the camera is supposed to do. I'm currently not connected to any camera for now, but I'm using this video to explain this trick to you. So as you can see, what I need to do is this is the normal scene when the preacher has not mentioned any Bible verse, and if I need to switch to any Bible verse, I use the second scene. As you can see here, then I switch to the second scene. So basically, this is how I do it. You see, look at this scene here. I have this purple background here. So this purple background, I named it Bible background. So how I came about this was just to use either Canva, you can use Canva or any graphic design software to just create a rectangle of this ratio you get and put it up here and export it as PNG. As you can see, that's basically what I did. Then I scaled it to fit the size. You can push it down more depending on how much you want it. So that's basically what I did, and you can just lock it up there. So how do I now bring the cloud of worship in here? So let me delete what I have here and start it afresh from the beginning. So this is the cloud of worship. Let me display Bible verse. Genesis 1 verse 5, and it is live. So this is the live section. As you can see, this is the live section. Let me make it big. The live section. Sorry. Yeah, so double click this. This is the live section. Let me go back here. So basically what I do is Bible projection for live stream is mostly very good when we have the Bible projection as a lower third here. Do you get what I'm saying? So what I'm now trying to do is to optimize cloud of worship output screen to fit into this to fit on this background. So that's basically what I'm doing. So what I need to do is come to the cloud of worship settings. As you can see, come to the settings and I work on these paddings. Can you see? On by default, everything is 24, 24, 24, 24. So what I need to do is I want it to come down. So if as it's 24 this way, let me show you what I have here. As you can see, let me show you what I have here on the live view. Can you see it is centralized? And this is looking small somehow. So by default, my own settings is on 50. Let me increase the size. Let me increase the size to like 100. Increase the size to like 100. Then you see what I'm talking about. As you can see, this is 100 size. So I'm trying to make it small to the point that it can fit as a lower third. So, and one of those methods is reducing the size to the minimum. So that's 50. I reduce the size to 50, and I also go to the display settings, come to the display settings and increase the padding from the top. Increasing the padding from the top will bring the text down. So that's it. When I can achieve that, I open it. As you can see, this is what I have here. So what I need to do on either my OBS studio or my Prism Live Studio, then I come here, I had a source, then I had a Windows capture. I had a Windows capture here. So note that all these programs, both the Chrome and the live stream software, are running at the same time. Then I click on Windows capture, I click OK. Then I can give it a name. Like COW live preview. And I click on OK. So when I do that, I select the window I want to capture. So I have this live. Can you see? I have this here. Then I'll turn off the capture cursor. I don't want my cursor to be showing here. So when I do that, I'll click on filter, and I add the Luma filter. The reason why I'm adding the Luma filter is so that I want to do away with the background. Then I click on OK, Luma key. Then I come down and I increase this. Can you see? I increase this. So I have only the background is done, is gone, and I have only the text. And I click on OK. Then I bring the text down. I adjust the text to the screen to what I have here. Then I can adjust it. Adjust. All I need to do is just adjust to this point, to how I feel it can fit. Adjust it well, so how it can fit this background, and I can lock it. So when I lock it and I project it, then I have my Bible verse here. So for me to be able to change this, let me do a two live preview. As you can see, so whatever you are changing here, also changes here. So let me change the Bible verse to verse 7. Can you see immediately I'm changing it here, it automatically changes here. Also note that your laptop might not be able to run this, so this is for high-end laptop. Do you get? So that can run Chrome and also the live streaming software at the same time. Do you get? So as you can see, it's well optimized. My own system can run something like this. I could take another Bible verse, 1 Corinthians. I can go to 1 Corinthians chapter 1 verse 3. So when I do that, I click it. Immediately I'm clicking it here, and it is having effect here on the live preview. Is also showing here on Prism Live Studio. And when the preacher is done quoting or using the scriptures, then I can switch back to the original scene, and I click on apply now. So that's basically the way it is. So when it needs the Bible verse, I come here and I do this. When it's not needed, then I do this. So that's basically how I have always been doing it, and that's a good trick around it. So if your laptop cannot run this second section of this video, if your laptop cannot run both the Cloud of Worship and also the Prism Live Studio OBS, like your laptop cannot live stream at the same time, or it's not so powerful enough to do these two tasks, all you need to do is to copy the live stream URL. So basically there will be another laptop. If there is a dedicated laptop for you, if you have a dedicated laptop in your church that you're using for projection on the screen for projection, all you need to do is just copy the live stream URL and send it to the laptop that you are going to be using for the live stream. Note, there's one laptop is being used for projection of the Bible verse in-house inside the church. So what you need to do is just come here, copy the live stream URL, then you come here to Prism Live Studio. So I'm doing that for the second. Let me delete it and show you. So what you need to do is to add a source. When you add a source, then you add a browser. And you can call it COW live stream link. Let me put this. Then I click on OK. So I will change the URL here. I will change the URL and paste the OBS URL here. Then I click on OK. When I click on OK, to display something black, like just make it big. When you make it big, try to change a slide. Just change a slide. For instance, let me change the slide here on Cloud of Worship. Okay, this is done. Let me change the slide here. So if I change the slide, you see it comes up. So I'm going to apply that same effect that I did for the first one. I click on it and I come here to filter, and I add the Luma effect, Luma key, and I scroll down and I remove the background, and I click on close, and I adjust it to fit whatever I'm doing. So also note that for this to work, your the laptop that is being used to project in-house in church must be connected to the internet, you get, so that it can keep updating and changing this Bible verse. I hope you get. So as you can see, this is already well placed. You can just lock it and you go live. So apparently if I change the Bible verse from this end, it automatically changed to via the link. Anywhere I go, it's changed via the link. In as much the person is changing the Bible verse, projecting for the pastor in-house, it's also changed here online. So that's basically how you can go around it.